the best manchu in Korea. I want to try it. Para siyang cheese na hindi siya sobrang creamy. Saktong tamis lang siya.
Here. His creams are hot.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. We're currently here in Cheongbokgung Grand Palace, Royal Palace. So, ayan, look at this view. It's so nice in here. Ayan, so syempre wala kayong nakikita, puro building. Pero nasa kabilang side pa siya, Cheongbokgung. Ayan, pakita natin yung palace. Look at that, guys. Dito mostly nag-shoot yung mga Korean for their mga series before, like Seoul in the Palace, etc. So there. It used to be the Royal Palace of Korea. Jet ski sila dito. Tapos parang dami tumatambay sa park nila. Ang ganda naman ng nila river. Parang ang linis. Look at that. Look at that. Ang sarap tumambay. Tas ang lamig. Bangka ba yan? Hindi naman. Parang stationary naman. Baka port. Polish coffee shop. Holy moly. This one is coffee shop lang, oh. Kaholi. Daming local here. We're currently here in Songdo, Hanok Village. Hello guys, we just bought this T-card, see you friends, here in Songdo, Hanok Village. Ang ganda. Sarap tumira dito, no? Kapag ito yung hotel mo. Look at those trees. Perfect yung guys, ang linis ng ilog nila. As in. So parang masarap nga maligo dyan. Feeling ko kung sa Philippines yan, dami naliligo na bata. Pakulay blue na, so sobrang linis. Look. It's so nice. Wow na wow. Ano to? What's this? What's this? What is this? So nice. Look at that. Look at that base. Vroom. Vroom vroom vroom. 사랑해야.
You like sauce?
Classic of sweet chili.
Garlic cheese. Ở đây thôi. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Two medium.
Thank you. Pak Adi. Going to the famous Samgyeopsal place here in Yangon. Namhan Pig. Hashtag JM recommends. There is it. The famous pig Samgyeopsal place. Oops, not sure if open na. Open na ba? So let's see. Ito yung menu nila guys. Not bad. Parang okay naman. Ayun guys, unfortunately, it's currently closed at 12 noon. So weird, not sure why.
We are bracing the game before the guide mga minutes. Maganda dito guys, sila mismo yung nagluluto for us. So, yung ang danas ng meat, mas masarap, mas marami yung pasatis. Yeah.
Hey, what's up? Nandito kami ngayon sa Chongbokdong. Look at those facade. Hindi siya happy kasi facade siya. Guys, look at that facade. Facade. Dito lang yan sa ano, Chongbokdong. Ano siya? For the Royal Palace Station. Kinis niya. Hindi naman siya tiles. Semento lang. What is this? What is this? It's an art. Charing. Ano ba yan? Kung effort, stations pa lang to. They're displaying the art here. Sa train station pa lang. Look at that. Wrapping cloth with auspicious designs. Okay. Ito guys, train station pa lang nila to. Guys, naririnig nyo yun? Yung ibon nila, yung kalanaro to. Yung tanga! Tanga-tanga! Yan yun guys. Tanga! Tanga-tanga! Wala na. Ayun. Not sure if naririnig sa camera. Pero yun yun guys. We're currently here in Chokbokchong Station. Dito yung Royal Palace dati. Ayan siya. Ito na yun. Charing. Maganda naman. Look at those palace oh. Ganda. Oh, diba? Ano lang siya? 4 stations away from Myeongdong. Tamo guys. Ang daming naka-handbook na dun. So, basically, free entrance to if naka-handbook ka. So, if wala kang handbook, yung damit na pang royal or, ayun, yung mga ganyan, yung ganyan damit. Pag wala kang ganyan, may entrance fee. Around, magkano ba yung entrance fee? 150 in peso? Parang ganon. Pero kung naka-handbook ka, free entrance lang. So, mag-rent ka na lang din ng handbook for experience. So, later, mag-rent kami ng handbook. Ayun guys, oh, mga naka-handbook na sila. The rest. For experience na din. Ayan, look. Ganda ng handbook. Change of guards.
Ladies and gentlemen, the changing of the Royal Palace Guard ceremony will take place on the hour. During the Joseon Dynasty, the Royal Guards were responsible for protecting the palace and city gates. Constant vigilance was essential for safety and security. Changing of the Royal Palace Guard ceremony you're about to witness is a meticulous reenactment recreated based on historical records and literature of the time. moving formation according to the military signal and the commander's order. The actors are wearing the costume from the 15th century, which was manufactured based on various historical records.
朱元璋的军服是根据史料再现的朝鲜初期15世纪服装而制作。
この衣装は朝鮮時代初期の15世紀の衣装を資料に基づいて再現したものです。The gate guards are now checking their identification with passwords and ID tags and exchanging salutes. After exchanging salutes, the new commander on duty will be stationed at Gwanghwamun Gate for inspection, and the off-duty gate guards will be heading back to the square. There will be drum beats to signal the end of the changing of the Royal Palace Guard ceremony.
Ito siya guys, sa loob. Sukin natin ang mundo ng Korea. Bawal pumasok. Pala guys, may garden din pala dito sa palace. In fairness. Guys, ang ganda dito. Ang lamig. Sobrang lamig po. Parang Baguio lang na mas malamig pa. I-joke lang. Ayan naman yung ibon. It's so peaceful here. Dami nag-shoot actually. Ayan no. Ganda ng color red na dahon. Ay, so cinematic guys. Diba? Ayan sila oh. Entrance dito 150 pesos lang, so ang mura lang. So kaya yan siya. Eh may bunga siya. Not sure if nakakain. So kinain, tapos nalasan. Ang ganda. Let's pasok here. Laki niya guys. Kala ko maliit lang ang palace. It's so big pala. Look. Just like a maze. Ang daming pinto. It's so nice in here. Dami dala nakahandbook ko. Mga students. Squid Game, but Iron Man. Wala, para mamaya. Eh, what if Coconut shrimp. Fried coconut shrimp. Or tempura and grated coconut. It's so nice, guys. If I were a Michelin star reviewer or judge, I would give it a star. Tama, mali. Tama. Baked cheese. One of these. 5,000, okay. Akin na. Picture eh. Ayan. Bread with egg. Nothing special. Oh. Okay. 감사합니다.